Have you ever sewn up a pattern with princess lines and you try on your muslin and it is just too tight in the bust, it's pulling and it's uncomfortable on your chest? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your pattern bigger where the princess line is. Because you could have a pattern that fits great everywhere else, but it's just too tight in the bust for your big old melons. Today I'm going to be demoing on our Princess Melon bralette. And if you would also like to sew a bralette, you can get the pattern on the website or through our sewing club. There's links down below for it. When you join the sewing club, you get access to our Discord. There's a whole sewing community over there. And you get a pattern every month. So cool. So at first glance, this bralette, it looks like it fits, but I can see that I want the top of this over a little bit more, and this princess line isn't quite up where it should be at the fullest point of the bust. So this is telling me we need to widen this and make it bigger. And I've added a bigger bra on top of this dress form, so it is too small for it. So we're going to adjust this. And it's just a little too tight right here. You can tell it's pulling a little. And if you have this on, you would feel the tension there. The easiest way to get a very precise alteration for this is to take your sample and open up this princess line, but a ½ inch up from the bottom and a ½ inch down here from the side. And I'm gonna use my seam ripper and I'm gonna open up this seam. Then we're gonna try it on and we're going to see what happens. How much do we need to add? What kind of shape is taking place? And then how do we get that perfect shape transferred to the pattern? Well, I'm gonna show you. And we only need to do this to one side because the pattern is symmetrical. So I've seam ripped this here on the princess line, and you can see the space that naturally opened up. You can see how the neckline of the bra came out more where it naturally should be laying. And you can compare this to this side over here where it is dipping down. And then you can see here where it's opened up. So this is giving us the information we need to make it bigger and fit better. And just to show you the pattern pieces where they correspond, this one goes here and then this one goes here at the side. So you can see where we're missing this space in here on the pattern. Now I'm going to show you how to add the excess that we need to the pattern. The first thing we need to do is take some measurements. So now we have two things that we need to figure out. How much do we need to add? Measure the biggest part at the center. And mine looks like it's about 1 5/8 inches. And we also need to know, where's the center of the bust? Is it over here? Is it here? Is it here? Where is the center of your bust? And then we need to know how much to add to each piece, because it's not necessarily going to be even in the middle. We might just need to add a little bit to the top and way more to the bottom piece, etc. Or you could do the opposite, just a little here and way more here. So on this dress form, I believe that the center of the bust is right about here. So it looks like I'm gonna add 5/8 here and then 1 inch on the bottom piece. Now, because this is knit, it's stretching out over the body. So I'm gonna show you how to deal with that on your pattern. Now grab your pattern pieces and some extra paper, and we're going to be adding to these princess lines. So I've taped some extra paper on, and once you do that, you need to find the center of the bust on the pattern. Mine is going to be here and here in the center of the line there. Now, if you remember my measurements, I had to add 1 inch at this point and 5/8 at that point. So what I'm going to do is measure out 1 inch from that center point over here. And now what I'm going to do is blend from the underarm to this point, and then from the bottom to this point here, because we really need the fullest part of the center of the bust, not the bottom or not the armhole. And it's possible if you need to extend a pattern, you could add to the armhole or the bottom, but I'm just not doing that in this alteration. So I'm going to blend from that underarm to that fullest point. And now we're going to go the opposite way from that fullest point to the underbust. And you're gonna notice we're getting this extra shaping in here. And you can always double check what you have expanded on the dress form, see if it matches. I feel like this is coming out a little too much down here. So I'm going to blend this in a little bit. So I feel like that's looking better. We never want anything pointy. So if you end up with anything pointy while you're doing this, we just wanna make sure that we are rounding and smoothing everything out. So this line here is looking good for me. So I'm going to erase the rest of it so you can see what we're left with. There we go. So I'm pretty happy with that. So now over here on the other side, a lot of times these pattern pieces are straight right here, and this princess line is going to sew into it. Now, there's no rule that says you can't give this line shape. So if you feel like you need the shape there, you go ahead and add some shape there. So I had 5/8 from the fullest point. So I'm gonna mark out 5/8. And I'm going to be blending into the bottom. I'm gonna use a straight ruler first, and then I'll go back with my curve ruler. There we go. So we are popping this piece out a bit. I do have a bit of a point there at the center. So I'm going to round that out. So now we're getting this excess that we need for the top, front, upper of this pattern, and then for the side. And if your pattern was longer, maybe it went down into a dress. You're just gonna be blending into the seam. We're only working with the cup section, the bust section of the pattern. Now the process of making something bigger has a little bit of trial and error to it because we need that perfect fit. That's why we're here in the first place. So now that you've got your paper pattern, you want to cut out a sample. Now you don't have to sew together a whole sample. Let's just cut out 1/2 of the bust, and we'll pin it or baste it onto the existing garment or bralette here, for instance, and then we're going to see how it fits. And if you think you're pretty good with the fit, you can go ahead and sew up a whole new sample. But until then, you want to go back and forth and make sure you get that perfect curve. Now it's better if it's a little too big because we can always pin in the excess and remove that from the pattern. That's always easier to do than making it bigger. Now I'm going to cut out the paper, cut out a fabric sample, sew up that princess line, and we'll check it out on the dress form and see how our blending worked out. So if you're pinning it on, I suggest pinning it inside out so that way you can see the seam. Because if you need to take it in, it's going to be so much easier just to pin a new sewing line in there, mark it, and transfer it to your pattern. So as we can see here, I've just pinned it over the top of it to the bralette, and it's covering that space that had opened up. You can see that the shape of the neckline is the same. We still have our line coming down and across. It doesn't look like it's making any weird bubble shapes. And we have the seam going right over the fullest part of the bust here. So we have made the bust of this pattern bigger, but kept everything else the same. The underbust, the neckline, the armhole, etc. But we've given it a bigger bust cup. So these are those two pattern pieces that we altered to create the fuller bust. So hopefully next time you need a fuller bust, something's just a little too tight, you'll be able to alter it and make it bigger for you when it's a princess line. Now, if you're happy with your half sample, I would sew another full sample just to make sure everything's fitting and pulling correctly, and then go ahead and cut into your beautiful final fabric. Thank you so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions on making the bust bigger in the princess line, let me know. Leave it down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the new tutorials come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. Let me know what other kinds of pattern alterations you would like to see. Leave that down below in the comments. And if you want to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out the online and in-person courses along with the online sewing club. And check out the Instagram so you can see what's going on in the studio. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!